Here in the problem we have, that is we have A is of order that is 4 cross 3, and we have basis of, that is basis of n of A contains two vectors. We have dimension of, that is n of A is equal to 2, and we have, that is dimension of range of A is equal to 1 here. Now we have B is equal to A1 plus 2 times A2 plus A3. So here we will have, that is A will be, that is A1